OpenDocs is a powerful documentation feature inside VisualParadigm Online that brings writing, documentation, and diagramming together in one seamless environment. It allows you to draft content using either a clean Markdown editor or a what you see is what you get editor while seamlessly embedding diagrams created with its built-in diagramming tool. This gives you complete flexibility in how you create and present your ideas. With AI-powered diagram generation, you can describe a process or structure in plain language and instantly receive a complete flowchart, mind map, or other diagram type. OpenDocs also uses a file system style tree structure that enables you to build well-organized knowledge bases suited for project documentation, technical notes, and long-term knowledge management. Everything stays organized, connected, and easy to navigate. Because all tools are integrated, there's no need to switch between multiple apps. OpenDocs becomes a unified space for writing, visualizing ideas, and sharing documentation through simple, secure links. Now, let's take a look at how it works. After logging into your VisualParadigm Online workspace, start by selecting Create with AI. Then choose Browse AI Apps. Find OpenDocs and click Start Now. This launches the OpenDocs. Here, you can create documents arranged in a tree structure, all stored neatly within your workspace. To edit the active document, click the Edit button at the top right. You can then edit the document with the editor. OpenDocs offers more than standard editing tools. You can insert a wide range of assets to enrich your content. Click Insert to open the asset dialog. Here, you can insert various assets into the document. For example, attach your own images by upload to OpenDocs from external links, or even generate illustrations with AI. You can also insert works created in VisualParadigm Desktop or VisualParadigm Online through the pipeline. You can even create diagrams or mind maps directly inside OpenDocs. To create one, simply choose the diagram type you want. The diagram editor will load, allowing you to build the diagram from scratch or ask AI to generate it for you. Once the diagram is created, you can refine it as needed. Click Save, close the editor, and the diagram will be inserted into your document. If you need to make changes later, just click the Edit button on the diagram. It will then open the diagram for editing. When your document is ready, click Save and then Share to share the entire space for viewing. No login is required.